Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, dreaming of financial freedom but starting with an empty bank account? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Building wealth from scratch might seem like an impossible task, but today we're going to show you exactly how you can do it. Even if you're starting from absolutely nothing, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content that will help you grow your money, improve your financial literacy, and set you on the path to lasting wealth. Today's video is for everyone, whether you're a student working a 9-to-5 or even just trying to make ends meet. This video will show you how to start building wealth from zero, so grab a notepad, sit back, and let's dive in. Part 1. Change your mindset, the foundation of wealth. Let's kick things off with the most important step, your mindset. You've probably heard the phrase, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. But there's even more to it than that. Building wealth starts in your mind. Long before you see any numbers in your bank account grow, it's about believing that you can achieve financial success, even if you're starting with zero. To begin, you need to break free from any negative beliefs about money. If you think that wealth is only for the lucky or the privileged, you're already limiting yourself. Replace those thoughts with this: I am capable of financial success and I deserve it. This shift will empower you to take the steps we'll discuss next. One powerful way to change your money mindset is through daily affirmations and visualization. Spend 5 minutes each morning imagining what your life will look like when you have financial freedom. Picture your dream home, the freedom to travel, the peace of mind. This practice will fuel your drive and keep you motivated, even when things get tough. Part 2. Develop the skills that make money. Now that you've got your mindset right, let's move on to the next building block: skills. If you're starting with no money, your skills become your currency. So ask yourself, what can you learn today that could help you earn more tomorrow? Skills like digital marketing, coding, graphic design, or even simple things like copywriting can become powerful income generators. Many of these skills can be learned for free on platforms like YouTube or through online courses. Some of the best platforms to build new skills include Coursera, Khan Academy, and Skillshare. You don't need a fancy degree, you need dedication and time. It's about creating value that people are willing to pay for. And remember, it's never too late to learn, whether you're 18 or 58. Once you've got a few skills under your belt, start offering your services on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit. This is a great way to start earning some extra cash on the side while you continue working on your main hustle. Part 3. Budget like a boss. The next step in your wealth-building journey is mastering the art of budgeting. No matter how much you earn, if you don't have control over your spending, wealth will remain out of reach. Start by tracking every single dollar you spend for a month. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget can make this easy. Once you see where your money is going, create a budget that fits your lifestyle but leaves room for saving. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. And here's a pro tip. If you find yourself overspending, try the envelope system where you allocate cash for specific expenses and stop spending once it's gone. It's simple but incredibly effective. Part 4. The power of saving, even if it's small. Let's talk about saving. Because yes, even saving small amounts can make a huge difference. The key is consistency. If you can only save $5 or $10 a week, do it. That small habit will build over time, and as your income grows, you'll already have a solid savings routine in place. Think of your savings as the seed of your future wealth. It's not just about putting money aside. It's about building the habit of thinking about your future. Even when money is tight, challenge yourself to find ways to cut back. Brew coffee at home instead of buying it. Pack your lunch. Skip the expensive gym membership for at-home workouts. These small sacrifices will build a strong foundation for your wealth. Part 5. Invest early, invest smart. The real wealth builder. Now let's dive into the part where you turn your savings into real wealth. Investing, the earlier you start, the better. Even if you think you don't have enough to invest, there are options out there that make it possible. From apps like Robinhood and Acorns that let you start with just a few dollars to 401ks and IRAs that help you save for retirement, the opportunities are endless. One of the most powerful tools in investing is compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Even if you only invest $50 a month, over time that money will grow exponentially. So think of investing as planting a tree. The sooner you start, the bigger and stronger it will grow. Don't let fear hold you back. Do your research, get advice if needed, but start somewhere. Part 6. Create multiple streams of income. If you really want to accelerate your path to wealth, don't rely on just one income stream. Think about it. Most millionaires have multiple streams of income. It could be a side business, rental income, stock dividends, or even a YouTube channel like this one. The idea is to make sure you're not depending solely on your paycheck. This way, if one source dries up, you've got others to back you up. Part 7. Network and learn from others. Here's another secret to building wealth from scratch. Don't do it alone. Seek out mentors, join communities, and learn from those who have been where you want to go. Whether it's a Facebook group, local meetups, or even online forums like Reddit's personal finance sub, networking can open doors you never knew existed. Building wealth from nothing is totally possible, and now you have the roadmap to make it happen. It's not going to be easy, but with the right mindset, habits, and strategies, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on financial freedom, and share it with someone who needs a little encouragement today. Remember, your future self will thank you for starting today. Until next time, keep building and stay motivated.